All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our end of day watch list report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist. All right, so today's close, like I told you, was going to be important as it sets things up for tomorrow's trading. So here is Atom, ATOM. This crypto had a rally alert a couple of sessions ago, and the market did give initial upside production, and it is still doing just fine at the moment. It did not fall through this vortex. It is bucking that. So the bear market rally is still alive and well in this particular security. Next, we have ZEC or Zcash, same thing. So far, it managed to not fall through the floor here on that vortex. So this one still has the bullish trend momentum reading also. So the bear market rally for now is still alive and well in your Zcash. Next is your XRP Ripple. All right. And this one is still in a locked in bull market. We had the rally alert back here, and you've been getting constant upside production. Once you can get a nice solid close above 70 cents, I think the market will be wide open to take out the resistance here, because this yellow bar here represents your consolidation bar. So you've been here at the bottom testing the support of the consolidation bar. Now I think the market is ready to march and test the resistance part, and it should be able to break through with this bullish trend momentum reading. So this will be interesting to see how fast and far it can go. Looking at theta. So theta had the original rally alert here. We got initial upside production, more upside production today, and another rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The next upside target now is $3.50 for your theta. Next up, we have AVAX, and we have the locked-in bull market here. You had your rally alert followed by a positive bot check. So we know a big upsurge is coming during this bullish trend momentum reading. Next, we have silver. Silver pushing in a new 52-week high. We now into the $28 handle. Just explosive movement here with no real pullback in sight. So the market is very much wide open. Where will it stop? Who knows before a pullback? It's already taken out all the major resistances. $26 needs to be the new support, meaning that it should not break $26 on any pullback or even correction. So it's still in a locked-in bull market. Next is the Dow futures, still bearish trend momentum reading. The market keeps touching the top of the Kumo cloud support. So if this continues, I think maybe even tomorrow the market may finally break down and get below here. So just FYI there. Next up, the NASDAQ 100, same thing. Markets, coming down here near the top of the Kumo cloud support. So with the report tomorrow, we'll see if the market is either going to try to rally or is it going to fall down and break down. And if it does, it could just fall right through the cloud. And that's the danger with the stock indices right now. In gold, we got a new 52-week high, new contract high. It's just even more dramatic than silver, just straight on up, no pullback, no correction. So we need for 2,300 to be the new support, and for the market not to really close below that on any pullback or correction. And that should build your base for the next leg up if the market were to start to, pull back here. Same thing with silver. If not, then that number will continue to move higher. Next up is the S&P 500, same thing. It's still got the bearish trend momentum reading, and the top of the Kumo cloud is down here. So I do believe that the market will eventually pull back into that category. Tomorrow, CPI, we'll see just what happens. Now, one word of caution. Of course, when you're in a bull market that has a bearish trend momentum reading and the market's in a pullback status or a corrective status, at any moment, the trend can come in and reclaim the price action. Just always remember that. You can get a monster reversal at any moment. That's the only danger sign with their counter trend trade in a situation like that. All right, so crude oil gave us the crash alert, and then coming into today, and you got the narrow range inside day, so it's just setting itself up for a leg down possibly as early as tomorrow. Top of the Kumo cloud is way down here, folks. It's $77. So FYI on that one. All right, the euro is still inside the Kumo cloud. We still got this big, nasty negative bot check and a bearish trend momentum reading. A big down move is coming for the euro. Pound sterling, same thing. Back-to-back negative bot checks. Yeah, this thing is looking really nasty at this point. The Aussie finally comes up here and tests the top of the Kumo cloud resistance. All right, so now it needs to, the real test is, can it push past 67, which is like this really powerful psychological resistance zone. We'll see. Next up, we got the Russell, same thing. It's in a corrective mode. Top of the Kumo cloud is right here now, and the market's getting close to it. So we could see an acceleration to the downside at any moment. Tomorrow will be very telling. All right, Ethereum had that rally alert coming into today, and you got a little bit of upside production, and you see this positive bot check, and then the two big upsurge days. That's to be expected. That's what the negative bot check was warning about. So market's wide open now to run and take out the 52-week highs, and that's what I believe is going to happen. Next up is your Bitcoin futures. Little flip-flop in here. So this one gives you a crash alert while the Ethereum is saying I'm wide open. So you got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading now. Could this be a short-term top in the Bitcoin, meaning that it could, since it could not take out the prior 52-week high? This is interesting. Still got time, though. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, and then your US dollar index. Again, we got that positive bot check right here. All right, 2 sessions ago. So we know a big upsurge leg is coming. So be forewarned. You've crossed over to the bull market. You got a bullish trend momentum reading. You are now officially in a locked-in bull market for the US dollar index, all right? Do not forget that. All right, folks, that's all we got. So I am going to stay on the sidelines until tomorrow's CPI data is released. I'm still holding what I'm holding, and we're going to break off to the private session now, and I'll update everyone. All the post waivers out there. Remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And on that note, I'll see you later. Peace.